Just fixing my hair. Okay. Hey, it's me, Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. I wanted to share with you something that I love. It's from a brand that I've written about before. I can't remember if we've written about these exact ones. Maybe recently we did, but originally, Trü Frü, they had frozen fruit bites that were enrobed in chocolate. Now, the new thing is they have hyper-dried fruit enrobed in dark chocolate. Now, I don't understand the whole hyper-dried thing. I don't understand. To me, it's freeze-dried, but hyper-dried sounds like more urgent and more exciting, which I get. And so these hyper-dried fruits come in various flavors. This is a real coconut melt covered in dark chocolate. These are strawberry and these are mango. I believe they have a banana flavor too that I think somebody devoured at the office probably. But for now, I'm going to show you, I think my favorite flavor of these is the strawberry. So these are dark chocolate strawberries. You can see this is strawberry shaped. I'm going to take a bite. You can see that. It's crunchy. The strawberry is tart. There's a very thick layer of dark chocolate. It's incredible. 150 calories per serving. The mango, 150 calories per serving. Coconut, 160 calories per serving. The other flavors are more like little poppable shapes. The strawberry looks like a full strawberry. These are great. I found these at Target, and we're going to link to them so you can find out where else they might be sold. But I know they're at Target, and I know they're on Amazon. And they're worth trying if you have that sweet tooth, but you want to do something that's a little bit more healthy. So it's got fruit and dark chocolate, two things that are good for you. So enjoy. You will thank me later, or you can thank me now in the comment section. I'm Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. Till next time, do the right thing.